Hello world, my name's Data Mining Mike and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence or machine learning with a focus on one of its fundamental algorithms, K-means clustering. Imagine you have a data set with numerous data points and you want to group these data points into distinct clusters based on their similarities. This is where K-means comes into play. K-means starts by randomly initializing K cluster of centroids. These centroids represent the center points of the clusters we aim to create. Use an odd number to break the tie. Next, K-means iteratively assigns each data point to the nearest centroid, forming clusters. Once all the data points are assigned, the algorithm recalculates the centroids as the mean of all data points assigned to each cluster. The process repeats until the centroids no longer move significantly, indicating convergence. Now let's break down the steps of the K-means algorithm. Step 1. Initialization. Randomly place K centroids. Step 2. Assignment. Assign each data point to the nearest centroid. Step 3. Update. Recalculate the centroids based on the data points to each cluster. Step 4. Convergence. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until the centroids stabilize. Let's illustrate with this example. Imagine we have a data set of customer spending habits and we want to segment them into different groups for targeted marketing. By applying K-means clustering, we can identify distinct groups of customers based on their similarities in their spending behavior. We have successfully segmented our customers into different clusters, each representing its unique spending profile. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly guide to understanding K-means clustering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell for more exciting data-driven content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.